Who am I with?
Maliki.
And we're gonna do some trivia. Pick one out of the hat. Which animal can purr besides a cat?
A leopard.
That's a kind of cat.
I don't know.
The correct answer is a turkey.
Oh, a turkey?
Yeah, that's. Who am I with today?
Dominic.
And we're gonna do some trivia. Pick one out of the hat. This one, all right. What is the main ingredient in glass?
Man, this is a toughie. I'm gonna say sand.
That is correct. Who am I with today?
Richard Schuyler Glenna.
We love you, Richard Schuyler Glenna. Pick one out of the hat. Yeah, look away. Look away. All right. Which animal can purr besides a cat?
Well, does like a lion count as a cat?
It does. Purr. Purr. You give up?
Yeah.
It's actually a turkey. Who am I with today?
Zach,
All right, gonna pick one out of the hat. How many moons does Mars have?
hang on, we gotta.
Three. Yo! It's really close. It's actually two. That was really close though. Who am I with today?
Katerina.
All right, pick one out of the hat.
Oh, I can't read it. Oh, okay.
How many flowers do bees need to visit to make 1 pound of honey?
100? 1,000?
A little higher.
2,000.
Higher.
We'll do 2,000. 5 minutes.
All right, it's actually 2 million.
Oh.
You got the 2 right though. That's pretty close.
$2.
Who am I with today?
Aiden.
All right, we're gonna do some trivia. Pick one out of the hat. What is a group of otters called? A clutch. No, it's actually a raft of otters. Very nice job. Who am I with? Zach. All right, pick one out of the hat.
I was gonna say too long.
When baking, what is the difference between frosting and icing?
Sugar?
No, wait,
no, I don't know. I have no idea.
There's actually no difference.
All right, I'm back for redemption.
Redemption round, all right.
All right, if I don't get this,
Pick one out of the hat, you got it. He's looking away. He's got
got two.
Pick one there. Sweet, all right.
can't look at the answer.
What is a group of otters called?
Otter.
It's a raft, but hey, we'll give him that. That was pretty close. We got redemption round 2.
Yeah, redemption round 2.
All right, pick one out of that.
We just had it like 5 minutes ago.
What is the main ingredient in glass?
It's a wrap.
Sand.
Sand.
That is correct. He's got it.